All right, my people, welcome back again. How are we all doing today? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on your time zone. All right, and I'm gonna start this program without wasting much of your time. Please do me a favor, like this video and subscribe to the channel. We are here again for another reaction, and we keep on bringing it back to back. Reason being that a lot is going on, and we have to keep the updates going. So do me a favor and support us in any way you can by making sure that you like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. Remember, we don't joke with your comments. That is a way to hear from you, the kind of feedback to know how you felt, what you think about what we discussed. Is there any way you want us to adjust? Is there anything that you think that you didn't get right? Feel free and put it on comment section. We welcome both negative and positive one. Just make sure that you put it respectfully without trying to go against anybody. And we don't attack anybody here. We are not here to instigate war. We don't promote war. We are not in support of any war. In fact, war, we forbid it. We don't support any violence or any criminality. We don't support anything crime, please. And we have made it clear that we are not here as a freedom fighter or as an agitator. I made it clear, time with that number, I am a content creator, reacting on different things going on social media. With that, bringing and attaching it or to instigate any problem between one party and another. But being realistic is what we are trying to bring to our people to have the idea of what is happening around you so that we are not going to be fooled by one another criminal beside you. These are things that we're trying our best to avoid. Some people don't like it, but majority love it. So please, without wasting much of the time, let's go straight to the program that brought us here this hour. There's an update from Okigwe again, as you can see from this person that made this post. Based on what the activity is going on there, a lot is going on in Biafra, not only in Okigwe. Here is a Gen makeup with a different, with another update, which I would like you to go into that with me this hour. Like I said, please, if you have not liked the video, please do and share it on any platform of your choice. So let's go there.
It's difference. Greetings, the leaders of conscience. Today is 14th of August, 2025. And I am here to bring the current updates over the genocide war that is currently going on in Okigwe. And this information, I am directing this information directly to the international community leaders, the leaders of conscience, the lovers of freedom, and the Biafrans all over the world, for them to understand the atrocities that is still going on, the genocide war that is still going on in the land of Okigwe. How the Nigerian soldiers, the Nigerian military, the Nigerian Air Force, the Nigerian securities are arresting innocent youth. There's a video you're about to watch. I want to show you a video over the atrocities, the unaliving Biafrans in Okigwe. Watch this video. Something is currently going on, and it is time to bring more evidence, more proof that qualifies.
Okay, sorry about that. Let me take it back again. We have to be careful because I don't want the video that he's talking about to surface. I know already there's no other video other than graphic image of how our people are going through a lot. So I'm trying to be careful here. Okay, so I'm going to bring it back again. Reason being that we have to follow the rules and regulations that guide the platform that we are using. They don't want us to bring something, you know what I mean by that, where people are being on a live or shocking images because there are so many now in our land. I'm being honest. So many of them. So let's continue.
The Nigerian soldiers, the Nigerian military, the Nigerian Air Force, the Nigerian securities are arresting innocent youth. There's a video you're about to watch. I want to show you a video over the atrocities, the unaliving Biafrans in Okigwe. Watch this video. Something is currently going on, and it is time to bring more evidence, more proof that qualifies Nigerian government a terrorist country. Hope also the illegitimate governor of Igbo State, known as Notorious Hope Osodema, using Boko Haram, using Fulanis, using ISWAP and ICC in order to kill Biafrans, murder Biafrans in a cold blood. The leaders of conscience, this message is for you. I know that you are aware of what is currently going on in Okigwe. The youth of Okigwe people have been killed on cold blood, massacred on cold blood. The Fulani in military uniform, the Boko Haram in military uniform are continuously, according to the order given to them, to kill anything, man, boy, youth in the land of Okigwe. Biafrans all over the world must rise up now. My own is to bring you updates. And that is my assignment, to let you understand what is currently going on. And I want to bring to the notice, to the attention of Finland president, Finland Prime Minister, the leader of Finland, who is holding the Prime Minister of Biafra in the person of Mazi Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic Government in exile. Finland, Biafrans are dying. Igbos have been murdered on daily basis. Look at what Nigerian soldiers are doing to Biafrans. What we are only fighting is for our freedom, nothing more. We are only fighting for the freedom of Biafrans. We are fighting for our freedoms. We are not terrorists. We are indigenous peoples of Biafra all over the world. We are only defending ourselves according to the international law of self-defense. So for those who are calling us a criminal, you are the one that's a criminal.
Exactly.
Those who are calling us a terrorist, because we are defending ourselves, you are calling us a terrorist. You are the real terrorists. Let the Biafrans go. Release our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Release our Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa. And release the Biafrans in your own custody. Biafrans are dying on daily basis. Asari Dokubo are killing Biafrans. Most of them are killing Biafrans. Tinubu, Yorubas are killing Biafrans. Hausas are killing Biafrans. Now, Biafrans decided to defend themselves. And the Nigerian state government, who is killing Biafrans, tagged Biafrans a terrorist. How can over 3 million Biafrans, 50 million Biafrans, 100 million Biafrans all over the world are terrorists? How is it possible? We are only fighting for our freedom and nothing more.
I'm sorry, I can't share this. I can't share this one. I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I know many of you would like to see that. After this, I'm gonna post the same video, this video on my X. So please follow me on X so that you will be able to watch and see it for yourself. Because I can't bring it here because of the owner of the platform. Anyway, it did not end there. We are going to go straight to another video from John is from Aaron Zogo. Okay, John is from Aaron Zogo, and we are going to go through. Let's watch the video as well. Let me bring it before you. A lot is going on, to be honest with you. There's no need to pretend about it. How will I shift this? Okay, I think this is better. This is better. Now, let's watch this one. Just I told you this is an update, right? That's what update is all about. So we will let. I'm not gonna say much. Just watch it. The one is not against the owner of the platform. The one that they will allow us to show. That's what the one we are going to show. We can use to create the platform the next time. Okay. This one is the Okigwe, People's House. This is somebody's house. This is a people's house. Not even so Biafran soldiers or anything at all. Now, wow. Okay, this one seems like is this in the makeup house? I guess. Okay, this another. This one is another one, a different house from the other one. Innocent community. Oh. Now, wow. Do you know how much it costs to build two-bedroom flat this time? Okay, so my people, that is the update that I have for you this hour. Please make sure you like this video and share it to many platforms of your choice. I decided to bring it to you because a lot is going on and I cannot bring it. I don't have time to compile that in a live broadcast for now. Maybe we're going to stream later. Hopefully, of course, we're supposed to come live today because I have not touched all the updates. And this is the one. This is just update of yesterday, and some of them maybe the day before yesterday. Today's one is on have not been touched or scratched at all. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the channels. We are going to come back again to bring you another update. Please make sure you support us in any way you can. God bless you and see you again. Your comment is very, very important. Please don't forget to put your comment so that we can so it will help me to know what you think about all this. God bless you and see you again.